from the new Steve Henry Show, coming this Saturday. That's right, I am sitting in somebody's Jeep. Is it yours? Maybe. 2016, I did. Remember last week I pulled it off the front line? This is ready to go. Beautiful Jeep. It is root beer brown in color. And if you missed it, we did Mother's Day last week where we took Mom out. Well, this week we're going to keep Mom in this time. That's right. We're going to do a barbecue as if we're going to do it in the backyard. We're going to feature ribs. Now, wait till you see how I smoke those ribs. We are literally going to smoke some ribs here on Saturday. If you have never seen Steve Henry smoke ribs, you are in for a treat. Somebody call the fire department. We got a fire here, but by golly, we are going to have some smoked ribs. And I'll tell you what, they're going to be the best you ever had. There's a scientific way to do ribs, obviously. Everyone has their own way. I'm going to show you a way, this way, that's going to be absolutely amazing. The preparation. And then wait till you see how we present those ribs. Is your name in the spinner? This is your last chance. You got to go there and register. I'm Steve Henry, and put in your information because that's how you'll be guaranteed your name to go into the spin. We're going to spin at 4:30 right on the back of this tailgate, and I'm going to pull out a name. And you know what? I might pull out two because I've got two Jeeps. 2012 orange Jeep is going to be second in line. You want to stick around Saturday because we're going to spin and spin hard. And don't forget our giveaways. That's right. Besides not one Jeep, but two, we are giving away. I want to do a jackpot. I want to hit 777s on that jackpot for Mom. Ooh, I'm going to keep trying until I do. Don't forget, you need to pick a number. The number is between 1 and 30. We're going to make it simple this time. The first person, let's go the first two people. I'm in a generous mood. Jackpot again, baby. The first two people that hit that number are going to win. Pick a number between 1 and 30 this week. Giveaways. We got the spinner. That's the 200, the 50. It's going to be so much fun. Get your name in the spinner. Go to the new SteveHenryShow.com and get your name in there. You don't want to be late. You don't want to miss it. This is going to be our best show yet with giveaways. We'll see you here 4 o'clock Mountain Time. Don't be late. There's a cockroach on the floor, let him go. There's a cockroach on the floor, there's a cockroach on the floor, let him go. Woo-hoo.